Dear students, now the first lesson, that is in our business study, that is components of business studies. Yesterday I already explained what is component and what is business, and also told about the origin of the term business. The word business is derived from a word that is, what is that word? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, that is busy. From the word busy, the term business was originated. What is busy means in our business study? In business study, busy means being busy. Being busy, not busy, being busy. After discussing about the term business, what is business? Business means buying, selling, exchange of goods and services. That is called business. In general, trade is also a business in general, but in business study, the term business has its own scope. The scope of business is very wide. After that, we studied about economic activities in business study, not in economics. Can you tell the meaning of the concept economic activity, or what do you mean by economic activities? Listen here. I told you the question. What is the answer? Economic activity means buying and selling of goods and services, including consumption and distribution. Now, what is business? Business is an economic activity. Business is an economic activity which is related with the continuous and regular production and distribution of goods and services to satisfy human wants. That is called business. Business is an economic activity which studies or are related with the continuous and regular production and distribution of goods and services for satisfy human wants. Apart from this, we already studied types of economic activities. We already defined what is economic activity. The activities which are concerned with the production and distribution. Production plus distribution. The activities related to production and distribution of goods and services is called economic activity. Now, which are the types of economic activities? In our previous class we studied there are 3 types of economic activities. Which are they? First one is business. Second one is profession. Third one employment. Yes, BPE. Business, profession and employment. These are the three types of economic activity in our business study. Yes, now my question is, what is a profession? How can you define the term profession? Imagine our previous class, then you will get the answer. What is profession? The economic activity that provides, economic activity, not only activity, not activity, the economic activity that provides technical or specialized personal services to the consumer is called dash profession. The economic activity that provide technical and specialized personal services to the consumer is called profession. Yes. Then what is employment? This is okay. Now E means employment. Employment means engaging in a work by a worker for salary or daily wage. That is employment. Here two persons are there. One is employer or owner. Another one is employee. Employee means worker. Now what is business? You already know. Production and distribution activities are called business. Yes, now the next is exchange. The next concept is exchange. See, in business studies, there are two terms are there. I already told. The first one is production. And another one is distribution. In between, another important aspect is there. What is that? That is none other than exchange. To satisfy our wants, a producer produces variety of goods. He produces many goods. Why? To satisfy consumers' wants and also earn benefit or profit to him. Production. Then distribution. What is distribution? Distribution of goods and services. From the place of production, it should reach to the consumer. We are all consumers. In between, without exchange, the production process is incomplete. Therefore, what is exchange? What is exchange? The distribution of goods and services is called exchange. The distribution of goods and services is called exchange. Production. If a producer produce his commodity in his firm or a factory or industry, then it should reach to the consumer. To reach the consumer, the producer should distribute his products. How? Through exchange. Through exchange. That is transport, price fixation or fixing of prices, etc. Therefore, like production and distribution, in business study, exchange is also plays a very important role. Yes, now during the course of production, what is the course of production means? The process of production. You already know in economics, that is land, labor, capital and organization. These are the factors of production. In the course of production, the owner or the producer, he should know certain factors, certain matters, or he should take certain considerations. Producer should take into consideration of several matters. Which are they? Already told to. One is about transport and another one is about fixing of prices. Now here, during the course of production, the producers take into consideration the market study. They should study about the market. They should take consideration about study of market. What is the study of market means? Study of market means the condition of markets, demand on his products in a market. People prefer which goods, what type of goods and services, and he also should also know about quality and also quantity. He should know all these things. Therefore, he has to go to the study of market. That is first one, study of market. Next, fixing of prices. Fixing of prices. Before that, he should know about transportation. That is exchange. Transportation of his goods and services to market. For transportation, he should use vehicles. He should use vehicles. Then containers, etc. For that, he has to pay money. Here also money. Then he has to move these things. That is fixing of prices. While fixing the prices, cost of production plus the expenses to study about the markets, he also take into consideration. Then transportation. He has to pay. This one, cost of production plus expenses on study of market and plus transportation. Then at last he should fix price. or rate fixing. He should fix the price with the intention of what? Earning profit. Then he also take into consideration that about storage of his product, storage of goods. Some goods are there. There are two types of goods: perishable and non-perishable goods. Perishable goods, there is no need of storage of food for non-perishable items. But perishable, halaguva, those goods are commodities that require what? Storage facility. He should expense money on that matter also. On that matter means here storage of goods. For storage facility he also pay. These are the factors the producer should take into consideration when before exchanging his goods and services. Goods and services. Today we have money as a medium of exchange, and through money exchange of goods and services is taking place today. Means in modern days, money is a medium of exchange. Before that, which system was in practice? That is barter system. Okay. This is about exchange. Therefore, exchange plays very important role. Between the production and distribution, exchange plays a very important role. From the place of production, the goods or any commodity should reach to the consumer. Between the production and distribution, exchange is very important. Without exchange, production process or distribution process is incomplete. If a prudent consumer, he should know about the marketing situation, about his product, then about the transportation. He should know about his storage of goods, about his products. Then at last he has to fix prices. Yes, now with this background, we shall study the evolution and growth of commerce. Means growth and development of commerce. Growth and development of commerce. Yes. All the economic activities of human being is considered as commerce. Commerce. All the economic activities. See, what is the difference between activity and economic activity? Activity, according to our economics and also according to our business study, activity means any activity. We don't want any profit or money. But economic activity means we want something. Something means vitamin M. What is vitamin M means? Money. Yes, that is called economic activity. Any activity which require monetary benefit is called economic activity. Therefore, all the economic activity is considered as commerce. It includes production, business, industry, banking, insurance agencies, United Trust of India, Life Insurance Corporation, that is UTI and LIC, advertisement, transportation and other factors which facilitate exchange of goods and services to the consumers. Therefore, the evolution that has taken place in commerce may be called evolution of commerce. Evolution of commerce. Evolution of commerce that has taken place in commerce may be called as evolution of commerce. Is called as what? Evolution of commerce is called as growth of commerce, or termed as evolution of commerce, or the history of business. It is also called a history of business. Evolution means what? Evolution means growth and also development. Growth of commerce, development of commerce. Imagine, during the time of civilization, there was no trade, commerce, economic activity, nothing was there. After that, so many time, the term commerce came into existence. Therefore, the growth and development of commerce is called evolution of commerce, or it is also called history of business. History of business. Commerce is the part of business. Commerce is the part of business which is considered with the distribution of goods and services. Commerce means also distribution of goods and services. Trade means also distribution of goods and services. Now, which are the important stages of this evolution of commerce? There are 8 stages are there. How many stages? 8 stages. Therefore, one factor is now clear. In one night, the term commerce did not come into existence. It took a gradual long period of time, not gradual, a long period of time. Now, how the commerce developed, took its birth in this world? To know the history of development and growth of commerce, we have to study 8 steps. Then only it is possible to understand the evolution and growth of commerce. First one is hunting and fishing stage. Hunting and fishing stage. Second one, agricultural stage. Agriculture was a main occupation. Second one, pastoral stage. Pastoral stage. Third one, agricultural stage. Fourth one, handicraft stage. Yes, there are 8 stages. First one is hunting and fishing stage. Hunting and fishing. Now, imagine we are in Indus Valley civilization, or we are studying in Egyptian civilization or Chinese civilization. What is civilization? Story of improvement of human beings. That is a civilization. Here the first stage of man is hunting and fishing stage, where man was nomad. He was wanderer. He had moved one place to another place. Why? For searching food. Searching food. Then he started hunting. Why? To satisfy his belly. What is belly means? Stomach. Then he also started fishing. Catching of fishes. Why? To satisfy his hunger. This is the first stage of growth and development of commerce, that is hunting and fishing. Here man was a wanderer. He did not know about agriculture. He did not know about proper talking system. He expressed his views through various sounds. Then he moved in groups from one place to another in search of food. They hunted animals for food. They hunted animals. Then caught fishes to satisfy their hunger. They gathered fruits, roots and nuts for food. Fruits and nuts. They gathered, they collected fruits and nuts. Gathered fruits, collected fruits, and they lived in trees. Where in trees? In hollows of trees. You might have heard about Marada Potare. Yes, and also in caves, caves and hollows of trees. Then, how did he cover his body? He covered his body through the skins of animals and leaves. Skins of animals and leaves. Through this he covered his body to avoid sunlight. Then sunlight, wind and also rain. No economic activity existed during this stage. During this first hunting and fishing stage, there was no economic activities. Activities were there, but no economic activity. Therefore, hunting and fishing stage is the first stage of evolution and growth of commerce. Yes, students, now take down only 2 questions. That is homework to you. What is an economic activity? What is an economic activity? Explain the hunting and fishing stage. Hunting and fishing stage of commerce. That is homework. Yes, we shall meet in our next class. Sai Ram.